If you've ever wondered what separates successful people from the rest, stay tuned. And spoiler alert, it's not the size of their coffee mug. You know how everyone says success is a recipe? 2 cups of hard work, 1 cup of talent, and a double shot of espresso. But there's one real ingredient almost no one talks about, and it's not caffeine, although we're not judging. They try everything: vision boards, audiobooks at 2x speed, posting coats with lion wallpapers on Instagram. But somehow, nothing sticks. The cake doesn't rise. The dream stays half-baked. Now meet Maya. She didn't go viral, didn't get funded. Heck, she didn't even own a ring light. What she did have was consistency. That's it, the most underrated spice in the success kitchen. Every day, she did one small thing for her dream. Day 1, sent 1 awkward email. Day 14, got ghosted. Day 37, sent 12 more, with typos and all. Day 89, got her first "Hey, let's talk." Day 140, landed her first client. No montage, no dramatic music, just tiny steps on repeat. The success race? It's not a sprint. It's a weird, slightly painful, incredibly boring jog. The flashy ones sprint out, then drop off by day 13 because, it's hard. My motivation's dead. Mercury's in retrograde. But Maya, still jogging, still awkward, still showing up, because here's the secret. Winners aren't the fastest. They're the ones who don't quit. Motivation is fun when it shows up, but it's flaky. Today I'll crush it. Tomorrow, let's binge 7 episodes of nothing. But consistency? That's your quiet, awkward, ride or die friend. Even when you're tired, you're doubting yourself, you're failing in public, you show up. You try again, and slowly, you build success, one step at a time. Years later, people ask, how did she make it? What's her secret? Was it a course, a podcast, green tea? And Maya just smiles and says, I just didn't stop. Thanks for watching The Growth Theory, where growth isn't magic, it's math. One small step times 365 equals transformation. If this made you smile, think, or want to try again tomorrow, hit like, subscribe, and take your next step today.